If you're anything like me, and you either got to maintain some land or you just like cars, you probably got a whole bunch of old ones floating around your property. Or maybe you have something unique like this old Selectria, an early all-electric vehicle originally made at MIT, way before Tesla. Well, maybe you've also noticed that over time it gets harder to maintain these vehicles, because all you can find online is a couple of shaky YouTube videos where some guy is waving his phone at an engine. And it's pretty hard to see the details that way. You find yourself pausing the video just to zoom in and count over how many bolts are between you and that clamp or hose or whatever it is that you need to remove just to fix a part on your old car. The alternative is something like this: going through old car manuals just to find out how to access or replace some old part from a few decades ago. Going back and forth between pages of orthographic and isometric diagrams that look like blueprints is enough to bake your noodle. Well, the world is changing, my friends, for the better. It's now possible to use AI to share incredibly detailed 3D views of your cars and all their detailed parts without the need for a 3D scanner or lots of hassle. Nvidia's NERF, or neural radiance fields, now allows you to take a video or a bunch of pictures and turn them into high-resolution 3D representations that let you see every little part and be able to navigate in between the hoses, the belts, and the pipes to see whatever you need to see. And to replicate something as complicated as the Silverado engine, all it takes is waving your phone camera around for a little while to capture enough training data to make a pretty amazing detailed AI model. And you can see here the path that my camera took around this old engine from the 2000s. Once it's digitized, you can apply all sorts of filters, like showing it as a different material, as you can see here in a program called Blender, to give you a clearer picture of the parts you need to access, or even measurements of parts. You simply run your photos or video images through a free NERF model training program, and it can generate views of engines just like this, which are a huge advancement over previous technologies like something similar called Photogrammetry, which did not allow you to capture all the intricate parts or see into little holes and crevices and such in the same way that AI can. By the way, check out my Photogrammetry video below too. You can even plug in a VR headset, like you would when using the metaverse, and get a completely immersive experience, or use it more like augmented reality to help you pick and choose the right tools for the job. It's the age of the metaverse mechanic, and more people are talking about the uses of AI-driven 3D like this that are practical for regular users, like folks who just want to fix their old car without having to sit through hours of shaky old videos. The U.S. Air Force is now using 3D VR to train aerospace engineers and mechanics because of the many advantages of using this technology, including the fact that it's super cost-effective. You can do NERF yourself for free and swap your 3D files online or in the metaverse. See the links below to get started. Hope this was useful for some of you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.